now affirm that I am capable of knowing who I truly am. I open myself to a deeper understanding of my identity, my capabilities, and my natural limitations. With each day, I gain clearer insight into who I am at my core, what I am capable of, what my healthy limits and boundaries are. As my understanding of myself grows stronger, confusion and identity crisis lose their power over me. Feelings of being lost gently dissolve, and a sense of direction and meaning emerges. I am discovering my purpose. I am recognizing my value. I am learning how I can best contribute to the world around me. And I feel more grounded because my authentic self is better understood by me.